Industry 4.0 is becoming a trend. It promotes smart manufacturing, which is about equipping machine with robust sensors, machine networks, and big data.
As you probably know, Taiwan has almost more than 300 plastic rubber machinery manufacturers. And I'm also very proud of today that we have more than 150 company exhibitors here at today's K show.
We use a lot of sensors to make our machines alive. So, for example, we have a Taiwan clamping force monitor. So you can know every mode, you can know which clamp force is applicable.
Injection molding machine combined with the Industry 4.0. We have iProcess, iCam, iMask.
During the cooperation with customer, we classify 3 factors important for the customer. We said injection molding, machine, mold, and now Industry 4.0. So to run the Industry 4.0, you must have a good machine and a good mold first. If your mold and the machine is not stable, then to run the 4.0 will be too early for you.
Recycling business should be the last mile of the plastic industry because right now in the worldwide only 9% of the plastic waste has been recycled in the world. So it means still it has remaining the 91% of the waste. So Polystars, we played a very important roles to recycle the plastic waste to be converted into the very excellent quality of the recycled pellets.
What is the most important thing you have to do to have a sustainable product?
Automatic is the most important step for plastic processing industry.
Our company set up a recycling line, which we want to help our customers to understand how to recycle the waste.
If we come to the original mind, I would say just to be with the customer. That will be the most important thing.
I think the most of the customers focus on their need to take some the social responsibility.